Hello friends, let's create a beautiful diya from earthenware reused teacups. So first we'll take a used earthenware teacup. This is also known as kulhar in Hindi. Next we are going to take some metallic paints and we are going to paint the teacups with the help of some brushes. So for the first teacup, I'm going to use a metallic bronze color. For the second teacup, I'm going to use a metallic blue color. For the third teacup, I'm going to use a red metallic color. To make the border for the first teacup, I'm going to use a violet metallic color. For the second teacup, for the border, I'm going to use a gold metallic color. I will be using green color for the border for the third teacup. Now to put little stars on the teacups, I'm going to use the silver color. Now for a variation of a design, you can also use pearls on the teacups. So here's a closer look at the teacups. To make our diya safe, we're going to add water in it. So I'm going to add water in it and then place the tea light candles in it. You can also use the long candles. So our beautiful safe DIY diyas are ready, and it's the best way to use the teacups in a very creative way. So I hope you've liked the video, and if you did, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Comment your favorite. Bye.